Okay, I've had a couple requests on how to do a mail merge. This will be handy for sending out all those emails to your students about their grades. So let me share my screen and here we go. So first thing you'll need to do is open up this template, which I'll make available for you. And you're gonna have to go to add-ons, and I'm just gonna click through because it's just easier to see it. I go to get add-ons and I search for Meteor Meteor, sorry. I've already had it installed, but you click for that, open it. There are other mail merge apps. Not all of them are whitelisted for our use if you're on a school computer. Others are more expensive. So this one, you get to send 100 emails per day for free. So anyways, you'll click on that, you'll install it. Again, I've already had it installed, so I don't need to go through that part. Now, next thing you need to do is, again, I've provided a template that I'll share with you on request. It's got these columns up here, obviously emails, student names, and their Q3 grade. That's as of March 13th. And then if they've been doing work for you, a Q4 grade. And then what I have in the final is their grade based on the 2 quarters, which is how we normally do grades. What if, however, they haven't done any work in Q4 because they figured out that they didn't have to, or they already had an A to begin with? I've made a formula here, so if the Q3 grade is higher than the Q4 grade, they keep the Q3 grade, and you can look into the math if you want to, but it works. Notice here their Q3 grade was lower than the Q4 grade and averaged to an 82. So when we send them their email asking them which grade they want to put on their final, whether they want the Q3 grade or they want the final number or they want to take a pass, their choice, we need to send an email to each student. So you could individually send emails and tell them the grade and type it in and take all day long, or you can do this. So here's how it works. Now that my add-in is installed, it'll populate here if I click add-ons. I open Mail Meteor. And what it's going to ask me to do is, there we go. Right. Obviously, sender name here will be whoever you want to be. I can create a template. In my template, I type whatever I need to type. I can type a subject. This is the email that will go out to them. So what you get from this is it'll send an email to every person in, I'm going to cancel that, in this email column, okay? But the cool thing is I can tell it to make a customized letter to first name, and it will tell them their grades. And I'm going to go back to add-on and show you the template that I made. Here it goes. So I have a template. I just was testing the system, so that's what I called it. I need to actually manage it and edit it and show you what it looks. So here's what I did. So I wrote a letter to each of my students, and it says, hello. And here's how the mail merge function works. These little curlies, which is the bracket to the right of the letter P on your keyboard, you have to hit shift and hit 2 curlies on the left, 2 curlies on the right, and that tells the computer to go to the row that says first name. So for me, that would be C1, column C, row 1, first name. Make sure that this is written exactly like the column name, or else it won't do it right. Okay. I write my letter, and I want to insert your course grade was Q3. Little curly brackets again, 4th grade here. You can customize this as you wish. I actually have this in my spreadsheet, so you can customize it to your liking. You can also Notice this is in bold here. I can do all sorts of text editing. I'm making the email right here. The only difference is this email will send a bulk email to everybody on that list. Back. And each email will look like this. Hang on. Why is it not? There it is. So it says hello, Homer, because that was the first person. Their grade's a 95. Fourth week, 9th grade 77. They will keep the 95. And the second person, Mr. Cena, says, hello, John. Your grade is 77. Fourth, 9th grade 86. Your final is 82. All right. And then I can, when I'm ready to launch, I send the emails out to everybody on my list. And that is how we send bulk mail via mail merge. So if you have any questions, let me know, but that is how it works. So I'm going to stop the video and send this out. So if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.